follow along as I get rid of iCloud Lock on an iPhone 11. Left phone is locked to iCloud but in perfect condition. Right phone has cracks and a bad battery but is not iCloud locked. Power off. Remove bottom screws. Heat up. Disconnect screen. Unclip connectors. Unscrew motherboard. Repeat process for next iPhone. Time to switch. More connectors. First motherboard out. On to phone B. Finally, now to put the unlocked board in. Reconnect everything. Screw back in. Make sure everything is properly seated. Customer also wanted a brand new screen. We have to transfer the front speaker to the new screen. Moment of truth. Apple logo. Let's add a waterproof seal to prevent water damage in the future. Most satisfying part of the repair. Clean all glue-on edges and to bottom screws. Now that's a job well done. Another happy customer. Like and follow for more. DM us here for any repairs or on Instagram based in Dublin to 4. Website link on IG.